Now, there are so many countries that PayPal banned from receiving money to their PayPal account, as you can see on your screen. Now, I don't know why, but they banned these countries from receiving money. And because we work online, it's very difficult to work with brands and individuals because almost everybody wants to pay you via PayPal. That is why we created a backdoor to create a PayPal account so we can be able to receive money from brands and individuals that want to send us money. I've done a video in the past on how to create a PayPal account, and it has helped thousands of people create a PayPal account, and it's currently working. They are currently using it to receive money, but it's been over a year and there's been so many changes, which is why I'm making this video to keep you updated with all those changes and also show you another method that you can use to create a PayPal account. Just in case the previous one didn't work for you or it's no longer working for you, then this method is definitely going to work for you. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. To get started, there are a few things you must know, and if you don't do those things, your account is going to be banned on arrival, trust me. And number one on that list is VPN. You don't need any VPN whatsoever. And number two is location. You need to turn off the location on your mobile phone or your computer in case you're using your computer. And to turn off your location is very easy, whether you're using the Mac or you're using Windows. And all you have to do is to come to your search and search for location, right? So when you search for location, it's going to pop up. You click on open system settings and you're going to see location for this device is on, and you click on change and you turn off location and your location is off. And number three, you need to clear your cache and clear your data on your browser. So any browser that you're using, you need to clear the cache and clear the data before you start creating your PayPal account. But that's if you have created a PayPal account in the past, then you need to clear the cache and clear the data so that you can be able to create a PayPal account that is going to work for you. Because if you don't do these things, PayPal will track your account and link it to your previous account, and they are going to ban the account. So the alternative to this, if you don't want to clear your data, all you have to do is to download another browser. There are so many browsers out there that you can use. Just download a fresh browser and use that to create your PayPal account. Now there's a fourth one, but I'm going to be sharing it in the course of this video so that you don't miss it. So when we get to that point, I'm going to share it with you. So now to get started, all you have to do is to first come over to your browser. Then you're going to type in best random Argentina address. So it's going to open this, and then you click on the first link, and then it's going to bring you here. And then the next thing you're going to do is to change this quantity to 12 and then click on generate. So now that it has given us this result, what we're going to take from here is just the phone number, okay? We're just going to take the phone number. So we are going to focus on this Buenos Aires, right? So we're going to just copy this number. This is our number. We're going to copy this number, and we're going to go over to our notepad, and we're going to paste in this number, okay? So this is our number, and you can copy the country calling code just in case. So let's copy the country calling code and put it in our notepad as well. So if you're doing this with your mobile phone, you can use your pen and paper to write down this information, or you can save it in your notes. And here's the number 4 that I said in the beginning that I was going to share with you. Now, if you're going to start this step, whenever you are about to start this step, make sure that you're ready to create the PayPal account. Make sure that you're ready to create the PayPal account. I had to repeat that so that you don't miss it. So if anything is going to distract you, if you're going to get busy, or if you're going to do something else, please make sure that you leave this till you are fully ready to create the PayPal account. Because once you get all this information that I'm going to be showing you how to get them, once you get the information and then you leave it and do another thing, maybe at the end of the day, you now start creating a PayPal account with it. If someone else uses those information, and then by the time you create the account, using the same information that has already been used, you're going to get banned instantly, okay? So to avoid all those restrictions, make sure that whenever you're ready to create the account is when you're going to start this step. Now that we have copied this number, there's something that we're going to do. We're going to swap this number. So we're going to do 7942, right? 7942. So we're going to delete this one. So we swapped the number. So what I did, I swapped the number. So I'm just going to close it in like this. So this is the number that we copied, and I changed the last 4 numbers. You can interchange it, you can add your number or whatever, but make sure you just change the last 4 numbers. Now that we've gotten the phone number out of the way, the next thing we're going to do is to come over to our browser yet again and search for Argentina address. and then this will come up, and then all you have to do is to just scroll all the way down till you see generator mix. Okay, so this is the second page, and here it is. You can see generatormix.com random address in Argentina. So we're going to click on this so that we can use their generator. So now we have this. We can change this to 12, and then for area we're going to select Buenos Aires. That's the capital of Argentina, and we're going to click on generate, and it's going to go ahead and generate addresses for us. So now we have this Buenos Aires. So we're going to look for a very short address. So make sure you use a short address and not a long one. And this one is okay. So we're just going to copy this as it is, and like this, yes. And we're going to go over to our notepad and paste it here. Okay, so we're going to paste it in our notepad, and to confirm that this is a valid location, we're going to copy the postal code, and we're going to write Argentina postal code. So now you're going to see Argentina postal code lookup. We click on it, and we're going to look up the postal code like so. So we're going to paste in the code, and then we're going to click on search to search for that postal code. And as you can see, it's telling us that no result we have found. So if we had used this on our PayPal account, it would have been a disaster. So we're going to go back again to this platform and look for another postal code. So I'm just going to scroll down and use this one. Okay, yeah, this one or this one is totally fine. So let's go ahead and try this 1752 postal code. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it, and I'm going to come over here and paste it here like so, and click on search. Voila. So here you can see that this particular postal code is valid, and it correlates with what we have here. Okay, so you can see the same town, the same postal code. So this is valid. So we're going to go ahead and copy this one and replace it with the one that we already saved. So you want to make sure that you do this step before you go ahead, or else if PayPal finds out before you, you're going to lose the account. So we have to make sure that everything is set. So now I have the phone number, I have the state, I have the postal code, and of course the country. And the next thing we're going to do, drum rolls, is to open the PayPal account for real. So now we're going to go ahead and go over to paypal.com/AR. Okay, AR is for Argentina, and Argentina PayPal is one of the most amazing PayPal I've ever used. Trouble-free, stress-free, everything is fantastic. So we're going to translate to English. Here it has opened, and you have two options here. So you're going to go ahead and click on sell and get paid online. That is the one that we want. We want to create a business PayPal account. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on sign up. So we're going to click on translate to English, and it's going to translate to English. If it doesn't give you this pop-up automatically, all you have to do is to right click, and then you're going to see translate to English, and you're going to automatically translate to English. So here the name is, you're going to select your first name. Now the name you're going to be using is the same name that is on your ID and the same name that you use in opening your GigPay account. So make sure you don't have any discrepancies. Make sure that the same name that you have on your ID, be it driver's license, international passport, voter's card, or even national ID card. So here I'm going to go ahead and fill up this right. So the next thing we're going to do is to click here. In addition, you have read the terms and condition. We have not read it, but who does? All right, so you're going to click on accept and create an account. So here our account has been created. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on begin. So now it's asking us, tell us about the basics, Charles. We securely store the information you share. So here, what best describes your trade? So we're going to go ahead and select sole proprietorship, and it's going to give us these options. What kind of company is this? We are going to select sole proprietorship. So what is your date of birth? I'm going to be filling this one later. And you're going to select what is your nationality. This is Argentina. And this is where we're going to be putting that phone number that we copied. So we're going to go ahead and go over to our notepad and copy the phone number like so. Copy this phone number. Copy the phone number like so, and come back here and paste in the phone number like this. And then for the address line, we're going to be putting the address that we copied earlier. So here is our address. So we're going to just go ahead and copy this like so, and then come over to our browser and paste it here. Then for the zip code, we're going to go ahead and copy that of our zip code. Our zip code is 1752. So we're going to copy this and paste it here as well. And then for the city, we're going to come over to our notepad again, and we're going to copy this. This is our city. We're going to copy this like so, and we're going to paste it here. So for Providence, we're going to select this one. So now that we have inputted all the details, the next thing we're going to click is click on following. And now we have this, it's asking for the name of our company. You're going to click on just use your full name for the time being. And then for the business registration number, just leave it empty. And then what do you sell? So we're going to select digital product media like so. And do you have a business website? Let's click on no. And what is the business address of the company? We're going to click on use your home address, and then you click on following. So here, complete your customer identification process to avoid interruptions to PayPal account services. So here you're going to choose place of incorporation. So we're going to select Argentina like so and click on send. So anytime it shows you Spanish language, all you have to do is to just click on translate, or right click and click on translate to English, and it's going to translate to English. So as you can see, congratulations, you're all set. So our PayPal account is active, but the next thing we're going to do is to verify our PayPal account. And to do that, what we need to do first is to go to the main page. So now it's telling us we want to confirm that your PayPal account information is accurate, as we detected some suspicious activity in your account. You will need to provide us with the required information to regain full access, and I'm going to click on view details. So now what is required of us is to upload a photo ID. To do this, all you have to do is to click on resolve. So here you can see the three options: passport, driver's license, or national identity card. So I'm going to go ahead and select driver's license. So now I've uploaded the front and back of my driver's license, and the next thing I'm going to do is to click on send, and it's going to save and verify, and our account is ready. So here you can see your information has been submitted, and the next thing we're going to do is to go over to account limitations. So now you can see here that they want to confirm the ID, and it's going to take 1 day to confirm it, but trust me, it doesn't even take up to a minute. And to prove that, let's go over to our email address, which is this one, and we're going to see this email here. We'll click on it, and you're going to see your PayPal account has been reset and removed the limitation applied. You will now be able to access any features that have been previously limited. So let's go over to our PayPal accounts like so. Let's click right here to see what is going on. But before I sign in, let's confirm our account. Remember that this is a Spanish country, and all the email you're going to be getting will be in Spanish. So do well to translate to English so that you can be able to read it, except you understand Spanish, right? All right, so here we're going to look for that confirmation email, which seems like this: confirm your email address. So we're going to click on it, and here is asking us to confirm our email address, and all we have to do is to click confirm your email. Remember, I did not log into the PayPal account before confirming this email. There's a reason, and I'm going to show you shortly. So if you click on confirm email, it's going to open another browser. So you don't want to be logged in, you want it to do it automatically. Then you're going to log in so that they can automatically confirm it. But if you're logged in, it might give you some glitches, and it's going to be a problem. So now we have this. We're going to click on English, and we'll have English here. So we're just going to go ahead and put in our password and click on log in. So here you can see your email has been confirmed. You click on continue, and voila, you can see your profile is verified, your email address is confirmed, and the next thing you're required to do is to link your bank account. But here's the thing: make sure you wait at least 48 hours after creating the PayPal account before you add the GigPay bank account. Don't add your bank account, don't add your card, don't add anything to the bank. Make sure you let it sit for 48 hours before you link your GigPay account. And if you're wondering how you can do that, I've done a tutorial in the past where I showed step by step on how you can link your US bank account to your PayPal account. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so that you can go ahead and watch it after watching this video, or you can even click here, but make sure you watch it after watching this video. And here our PayPal account is 100% ready. As you can see, if we go to pay and get paid, you can see balance, card, you can see send payments, you can see request payment. If you click on request payment, you're going to see all the things that you can use to request payment. So now everything is working. Our PayPal account is working and ready. Now, before you go ahead and create this PayPal account, make sure that you watch my video on do's and don'ts on PayPal accounts. There's a lot of things that you need to avoid if you're creating a PayPal account, like not opening this PayPal account on your mobile app or even your mobile phone. Make sure that if you create it with a computer, make sure that you only open and access the PayPal account using that same browser, that same computer, and a lot of other rules that comes with it. So go ahead and click here to watch the rules and regulations of running a PayPal account that is going to last you a very, very long time. So go ahead, click it, watch it, and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.